Here are 10 powerful ways developers can transform coding skills into profitable online businesses, freelance services, digital products, and recurring income. Students, freelancers, and self-taught coders are building profitable online careers using laptops, internet platforms, creativity, and practical problem-solving skills daily. Artificial intelligence now helps developers build websites, apps, and automation systems faster, creating massive opportunities for problem solvers across the digital economy. Number 1. Freelancing for small businesses.
Millions of small businesses still need affordable websites, booking systems, and digital upgrades to compete successfully in today's online marketplace worldwide.
Even beginner coding skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and WordPress can help businesses improve websites and attract paying customers online. Freelance clients can be found through marketplaces, social media, networking, personal branding, and consistent outreach showcasing valuable coding problem-solving abilities online. Start with small projects, build strong portfolios, collect reviews, gain trust, and gradually increase pricing as your coding skills grow. Number 2. Build AI automation services for small businesses. Companies are actively seeking developers who automate repetitive tasks using AI tools, APIs, and smart workflows that save time and increase productivity. You can automate emails, customer support, scheduling, sales tracking, lead generation, and data management using simple coding and AI integration tools. Even beginners can build valuable automation tools by combining simple coding skills with APIs, AI platforms, and no-code development systems. When automation saves businesses time and money, clients willingly pay premium prices for reliable systems that deliver measurable results. Number 3. Sell website templates through digital platforms online.
Instead of selling time, developers can sell reusable digital products like templates, themes, and UI kits that generate ongoing passive income.
Popular templates include portfolios, SaaS landing pages, dashboards, Shopify themes, and React components designed for developers and online businesses. One well-built template can generate continuous income for months or years after publishing it on digital marketplaces and personal platforms. Fast performance, mobile responsiveness, clean design, and AI-ready features help developers stand out in competitive digital template marketplaces. Number 4. Create SaaS micro tools. Simple software tools solving specific problems can generate significant profits when built with focus, speed, and real user demand. Popular micro SaaS ideas include AI tools, invoice generators, scheduling apps, resume builders, and productivity utilities solving everyday digital problems. Subscription pricing allows developers to build predictable recurring income instead of relying on one-time project payments or unpredictable freelance work. Speed now defines success. Developers who launch fast, test ideas quickly, and iterate using AI tools win modern digital opportunities. Number 5. Become a bug fix specialist. Businesses constantly face broken websites, errors, and performance issues, creating demand for developers who can quickly diagnose and fix problems. Developers who quickly solve technical issues become highly valuable because businesses lose money every minute systems stay broken.
It's down! We need it fixed now!
On it, almost there. Clients expect developers who respond quickly during emergencies because fast support protects business revenue and professional reputation online. Strong reputation builds trust, attracts clients, and leads to referrals that create long-term, consistent income opportunities for developers. Teaching coding online builds audiences, income, influence, and career opportunities. Coding education is rapidly growing as millions of people learn programming through online platforms, videos, and interactive digital learning resources. Consistent short-form coding content builds audience trust, grows followers, and opens multiple income streams for developers online. Developers can combine freelancing, content creation, SaaS, courses, and affiliate marketing to build multiple sustainable online income streams. You only need to be slightly ahead of beginners to teach effectively, create content, and build income through coding knowledge. Number 7. Build chatbots for businesses. businesses increasingly use AI chatbots to answer questions, support customers, and provide instant service 24 hours every single day. Developers can build support bots, booking assistants, sales chatbots, FAQ systems, and lead generation tools for modern businesses everywhere. Many developers charge monthly maintenance fees for updates, support, and monitoring, creating stable recurring income from existing client systems. The modern businesses use many apps simultaneously, creating demand for developers who connect platforms through smooth automated system integrations successfully. Number 8. Sell API integration services. API integrations connect payments, CRMs, AI tools, and databases, allowing businesses to automate workflows and eliminate manual data handling. API integration skills are highly valued because businesses rely on seamless connectivity between platforms to improve efficiency and reduce operational costs. The businesses often require ongoing updates and support, creating long-term relationships that generate stable income for developers over time. Number 9. Create mobile applications. Mobile apps remain powerful because people rely on smartphones daily for productivity, entertainment, learning, and communication everywhere in the world. Modern frameworks let developers build one code base that runs seamlessly across Android, iOS, and web platforms worldwide.
Many successful apps are simple, focusing on usability, solving real problems, and delivering value rather than complex features.
Number 10. Build your personal brand. Build your personal brand through consistent content, showcase skills, share projects, teach others, and attract clients, opportunities, and global recognition. Personal branding turns your skills into visibility, helping developers attract clients, grow audience, and unlock consistent opportunities in the tech industry. The future belongs to developers who build solutions, adapt quickly, and turn coding skills into multiple income opportunities worldwide.